Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Muba Mehreen. I welcome you all on behalf of AFAQ online learning platform for new Sun series Grade 2 Mathematics. The target audience of this video is teacher, students and parents as well. Before moving towards the lesson, I want to tell you the fact about the AFAQ. What makes AFAQ unique? This is the planning. Planning is the key of success, and without planning we face a lot of problems. So AFAQ has given us the academic calendar for this planning. This academic calendar is divided into 3 periodic terms, and each periodic term consists of 2 periodic units, and each periodic unit consists of 6 weeks, in which 5 weeks is allocated to learning and teaching and 1 week is for assessment. Okay, let's start our unit number 2, in which we are going to discuss addition and subtraction topics. Okay, let's start unit number 2. In term 1, unit 2, week 1, we are going to cover these 7 SLOs and these concepts of addition. Week 1 is divided into 7 lessons plans. These lessons plans are given for the ease of the teachers and parents. In this unit, we are going to discuss about the addition operations and we are going to cover these all SLOs. This is an activity time. Let's see what the other concept is. In this SLO, we are going to cover add ones and ones. To cover this, the methodology has been given in DLP 1, which falls in term 1, unit 2, week 1 of day 1. Let's see the questions. On page number 29, here are the addition of 1-digit number. Let's see in detail. Here is a statement question. Ali has 6 red balls and 8 green balls. How many balls does he has in all? When there is a word in all, it means we have to add numbers. So, it's a statement question. Whenever there is a statement question, you have to read it carefully and we divide it in the parts. The given information and what we have to find. Like the given information is 8 6 balls and 8 green balls, which is written like this. What we have to find? We have to find how many balls in all. So what we do, we will write 6 here, then we will place 8 under the 6. Both are on the ones place. Now we are going to add this 1-digit number. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Now what we will do, we will give 1 carry to the tens place and write 4 under the ones place. And on the tens place, we add 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Now the result is 14. So this is our answer. Ali has total 14 balls. Let's move towards the exercise. It's an activity time. Let's see the what activity is about. Now in this SLO, we add ones and ones. To cover this, the methodology has been given in DLP 2, which falls in term 1, unit 2, week 1 of day 2. Let's see the activity. Okay, here is the worksheet given. You have to add ones in a ones. So, do this worksheet by your own on the basis of the concept we discussed in a previous lecture. On page number 29, there is an exercise given. You have to add the following. You have to add the ones place digit. So, do this exercise by your own under the presence of your parents and teacher. It's an activity time. Let's see what the activity is about. In this, we add ones and 2-digit number with carrying. To cover this, the methodology has been provided in DLP 3, which falls in term 1, unit 2, week 1 of day 2. Let's see the questions. Okay, on page number 28 to 30, here are the questions of addition of 2-digit numbers and 1-digit number with carrying. So, let's see the statement question in detail. Faisal has rupees 54. His mother gave him rupees 7 more. How many money does he has altogether? So, now we are going to write 54 here and then we place this 7 number on the ones place. Then we are going to add the numbers from the right side. So, add ones in ones. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Now give 1 carry to the tens place and write remaining 1 here. Now add tens in a tens. 5 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 6. Now we have the answer, which is 61. So this is our answer. There is an important note for you. The total of two or more numbers is called the sum. So I hope you understood this statement question. On page 31 and 32, here is exercise given about the addition sums. You have to solve this sum by your own on the basis of the methodology we discussed in the previous lecture. It's an activity time. Let's see what the activity is about. In this SLO, we are going to add ones and two-digit number with carrying. To cover this, the methodology has been provided in DLP4, which falls in term 1 unit 2 week 1 of day 3. Let's see the exercise. Okay, here is the worksheet given. We have to add these numbers, two digits number with one digit number. And we solved this statement question previously. So fill this worksheet by your own and check by your teachers or parents. On page number 32 and 33, here is again statement question. Now read the statement carefully with me. Nadeem weighs 8 kg more than his brother Aleem. If Aleem weighs 28 kg, find the weight of Nadeem. Now what we are going to do, we will add this 28 kg with this 8 kg. So divide the statement in the given information and what you have to find. Let's see here. Aleem weighs 28 kg. How much more Nadeem weighs? It's 8 kg. So we are going to find the Nadeem's total weight. Now start addition from the right side. Add ones in a ones. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Write 6 here and give 1 carry to the tens place. Now add tens in a tens. Like here 2 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 3. Now we have the result, which is 36. So our answer is Nadeem weights will be 36. I hope you understood this statement question. It's an activity time. Let's see the other concept. In this SLO, we are going to add two digits number and two digits number with carrying. To cover this, the methodology has been provided in DLP5, which falls in term 1 unit 2 week 1 of day 4. On page number 30 and 31, we have this statement question. Let's read the statement carefully. Ali collected 37 seashells and Hassan collected 26 seashells. Find the total number of seashells they collected altogether. Now here we comes to know that we have to add this both numbers, then we have all in together numbers what we are going to find by addition. Let's write this statement in given information. What we have, Ali collected 37 and Hassan collected 26. Now write in the vertical order 37 plus 26. Now again we have to add from the right side. First of all, we have to add ones in a ones. Like 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Now we have two digits. Give carry to the tens place here and write 3 on the ones place. Now add tens in a tens. Like 3 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now we have the answer 63. On page number 32, there are the exercise question. Let me solve one for you. We have to add this 52 with 29. Here again the same rule applying. First of all, add ones in a ones, then give carry if we have two digits like this, then we add tens in a tens and there will be your answer. So do the rest of the questions by your own. This is an activity time. Let's see what activity is about. In this SLO, we add two digit numbers with two digits number with carrying. To cover this, the methodology has been provided in DLP6, which falls in term 1 unit 2 week 1 of day 4. Now on page number 32 and 33, we have these exercise questions. Here is again a statement question. We have to read it carefully. In the test, Nadia got 35 marks in science and 45 marks in mathematics. how many marks did she total get? So we have to sum all the 2 marks. We write this statement question in given information. Marks in science is equal to 35, marks in mathematics is equal to 40. Now we have to add to get the total marks. We start from the right side. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. There is no carry here. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 and the answer is 75. So the total marks is 75. I hope you understood this concept of the addition. Let's move to the exercise. This is an activity time. Let's see the other concept. In this SLO, we are going to add 3-digit numbers and ones without carrying. To cover this, the methodology has been provided in DLP 7, which falls in Term 1, Unit 2, Week 1 of Day 5. On page number 34, we are going to add 3-digit numbers and 1-digit number without carrying. Let's see this question in detail. First of all, we have to start from the right side. Add ones in a ones. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now move towards the tens place. Now add tens in a tens. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Now move towards the hundred place. Add 100 to the 100. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So our answer is 137. I hope you understood this question. Here is also an interesting note for you. So read it. When adding numbers, start adding from the right side. First add the ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, and so on. I believe that you understood this concept. Open page number 37 of your book. Here is some exercise given. Do these questions by your own and check by your teachers or parents. Students, this is the beginning of week 2. Let's see what we have in week 2. We are going to cover these 7 SLOs in week 2. And these 7 lesson plans are given for the ease of parents and teachers. This is an activity time. Let's see what the activity is about. In this SLO, we are going to add 3-digit number and ones without carrying. To cover this, the methodology has been provided in DLP 1, which falls in Term 1, Unit 2, Week 2 of Day 1. On page number 37 and 38, here are some questions. So, I will solve first for you. Whenever there is an addition question, we start from the right side. We first add ones in a ones. So, let's start from here. 6 plus 3, it is equal to 9. So, write it here in a 1 place. Now, move towards the tens place. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Now, move on a 100 place. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Now, what will be the answer? It will be 639. So, solve the rest of the exercise by your own under the presence of your parents or teacher. This is an activity time. Let's see the other concept. In this SLO, we are going to add 3-digit number and 2-digit number without carrying. To cover this, the methodology has been provided in DLP 2, which falls in Term 1, Unit 2, Week 2 of Day 2. Now on page number 34-35, here is a statement question. Whenever there is a statement question, we have to read it very carefully and divide the information area on the other side and write what we have to find on the other side. Let's read the statement. There are 435 rose plants and 43 jasmine plants in the park. How many flower plants are there all together? So now we are going to add this both numbers. Write 435, then write 43 under the 35. Now we are going to add from the right side. Add ones in a ones. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Move towards the tens place. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Now move towards the 100 place. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Now our answer will be 478. So there are 478 plants in total. I believe you understood this addition sum. On page number 37, here is the exercise given. You have to solve this exercise by your own under the presence of your parents and teacher. This is an activity time. Let's see the other concept. In this SLO, we are going to add 3-digit number and 2-digit number without carrying. To cover this, the methodology has been provided in DLP3, which falls in Term 1, Unit 2, Week 2 of Day 2. Let's see the exercise. On page number 37 and 38, here is again a statement question. Read the statement with me. While going on a school field trip, there are 82 students in one bus and 100 students in other bus. So, how many students are there all together? Now, what we gonna do? We gonna add this both numbers. So, we will get how many students are there all together. Now, we first write the given information of the statement. Number of students in one bus 82. Number of the students in other bus 100. Now, we are going to add both sums. Start from the right side. First of all, add ones in a ones. 2 plus 0 is equal to 0. Move to the tens place. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. Move to the 100 place. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So, we have the answer 182. These are the total number of the students. I believe you understood this question. This is an activity time. Let's see the other concept. In this SLO, we are going to add 3-digit number and 3-digit number without carrying. To cover this, the methodology has been provided in DLP4, which falls in Term 1, Unit 2, Week 2 of Day 3. On page number 41, we see the question of addition of 3-digit number with 3-digit number. Read the statement carefully. There are 723 birds and 145 animals in the farm. How many animals and birds are there together? Now we have to add the birds and animals and find the result how they are all together in the farm. So, write the information here. First write number of birds, which is 723, then write 145 under the 723. Now we are going to add this 3 digits number. Start from the right side, add ones in a ones, then tens in a tens, and then 100 in a 100. Then we have the answer 868. So, these are the total numbers of animals and birds in a farm. Let's move towards the exercise. On page number 37, here are the some questions given for the practice. So, students, do these questions by your own as we discussed in the previous lecture and checked by the teachers and parents. This is an activity time. Let's see the other concept. In this SLO, we are going to add 3-digit number and 3-digit number without carrying. To cover this, the methodology has been provided in DLP5, which falls in Term 1, Unit 2, Week 2 of Day 4. Let's see the exercise. On page number 38 and 39, we have some question. One is a statement question and these are 3 digits number you have to add in 3 digits. Now solve this exercise by your own and check by the teachers or parents. This is an activity time. Let's see the other concept. In this SLO, we are going to add 3-digit number and 1-digit number with carrying of tens and hundreds. To cover this, the methodology has been provided in DLP6, which falls in Term 1, Unit 2, Week 2 of Day 4. Here is again a statement question. Let's read the statement with me. Asma has 624 beads in red color and 7 beads are in yellow color. How many beads does she have altogether? Now again we have to add these both numbers. So write in this column 624 and write these 7 numbers in the ones place. Now start adding from the right side. First of all, add ones in a ones, Then move towards the tens, add tens in a tens. Let's see, here is also a carry. Why there is carry? Because when we add 7 in 4, we have 11. That's why we give 1 carry to the tens place. Now we are going to add this tens place digits number. 2 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 3. Now move towards the 100 place. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Now our answer will be 631. It means Asma has total 631 beats. I hope you understood this concept of the addition. On page number 42 and 43, some questions are given. You have to solve this question by your own under the presence of your parents or teacher. This is an activity time. Let's see the other concept. In this SLO, we are going to add 3-digit number and 1-digit number with carrying of tens and 100. To cover this, the methodology has been provided in DLP 7, which falls in Term 1, Unit 2, Week 2 and Day 5. On page number 43, here is some questions given. I will solve first for you. Now there is a rule in addition. What is the rule? We have to start from the right side. First of all, we have to add ones in a ones. Let's add ones in a ones. What is the answer when we add 6 plus 5? Yes, it's 11. Give 1 carry to the tens place and remaining 1 right here on the ones place. Now we have to add tens. 7 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 8. Now we move towards the 100 place. Add 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. The answer is 381. So solve the rest of the exercise by your own. I hope you understood all the lessons we discussed in the lectures. Best of luck for the assessments. We will meet in the next video inshallah. Until then, Allah Hafiz, take care.